So after doing the tablet responsivity, we go now to the mobile responsivity. And we will just click our mobile icon up here, and we'll go to the Apple Kenya and change the dimensions to Galaxy S20 Ultra. I love using these as my reference. As you can see, the images have changed. All the images have changed in mobile. So in that folder, this is what we are having on our app. As you can see, our images are different. So there's a difference now between now doing the responsivity on tablet and the desktop, and now on mobile. In the image that in the folder that you have, there's a folder called mobile, and we are going actually to replace our background images into the mobile ones. So uh, we are going to click on the choose image, go to upload files, go to select files, go to our folder. There's a mobile folder there, and you're going to get started with this Pro, the one that is written Pro, and you're going to open it, and you're going to select it like that. How do we now make it be like this? So you can see the text is at the bottom, the phone is at the top. So we will interchange our padding. How do we do that? We come here, we unlink everything. So let us try by starting with a padding of 50, uh, like that. And at the bottom, let us do padding of around 10. As you can see, we are getting something. So we need to like double this so that we have it like that. If you do it more times, you will actually start seeing the difference. So that is exactly now how it looks here. And let us just increase it a bit to around 110. Yes. So as you can see, we are not very far from what we are seeing here. So let us do it the same for this. Now, as you can see, the second one, the typography is up and image is down. How do you do it? And you can see we have some good spacing there. We just click on our container. Let us start with our margin. Let us put a margin of 2 so that we have some good spacing there. And we are going to interchange it. Like now the top will be 10 and the bottom will be 110. Yep. And we will go to our container and put this image. So we will go and choose the image, upload files. We're going to upload our mobile file like that, and it will automatically fit in like that. Very simple. So we do the same for this one. Okay, so we're saying our margin top is 2, our padding top is 10, our bottom is 110, like that. And we go to our container, and we are going to choose the MacBook Air image, and upload the file. So we have our MacBook Air image like that, and we select it, and there we go. We already have something. So we do the same for our MacBook Pro. Same thing. Our padding, our margin top is 2. Our padding top is 10. Our bottom is 110. Uh, oh, I selected the wrong container. Or what is happening? Just a minute. Yes. Uh, yes, we're in the right container. Yes, so 2. Uh, so change it to percentages. So our top is 10, which is the padding. Okay. And our bottom is 110. So this is an error and a bug in Elementor. It's good that it has happened here. Oh no, we are actually on the wrong container. Yes, we're actually on the wrong container. Yes, because you're supposed to do the MacBook Pro one. I thought it was a bug. It's not a bug. So we go into the inner container, and this is some confusion that you really need to avoid. But you will learn as you go, as you nest your containers. You can always miss them sometimes. So you put our padding as 10, our bottom is 110. Okay, like that. So that's why I actually I encourage naming containers. So you can name that as MacBook. Then you come to your, you name that as your iPad Air, that, such that you don't get confused the same way I got confused. Then you go to bottom, do it at 110. Look if there is spacing. Yes, there's still spacing there, which you can put it there at 2. So does, yes, they have a different image here. Go to your MacBook image. This is the MacBook container. Go to your image, upload, select. You have your MacBook image like that. Select. I usually love publishing in the midst of my editing like that. Okay. So we go to our iPad Air and go to style, select the mobile image, from, go like that. That's our iPad Air. Select it like that. Then we go to the iPad Pro. Okay. So as you can see, the iPad Pro also was a nested container. So let us just name our containers such that we know what we're doing. So the first one is iPhone 16 Pro. Second one is iPhone 16. The third one, go to the desktop view so that you see it very well. We have the MacBook Air. I think the MacBook is a capital B. That. And then from there, we have MacBook Pro and iPad Air. Okay, this is the nest between the two, as you can see, the group that has the two. And here at the bottom, we have iPad, and iPad Pro. So in the nest here, we have iPad Pro, and on this other container, we have the iPad. So when I go now to my mobile mode, locating the iPad Pro is easier. And I'll just do the same configurations that we've been having. We have a margin of 2 on top. We have a padding of 10 and 110 at the bottom. And I'll just go to the image. I go to upload files and I choose the iPad Pro like that and select. Okay, very easy. So now I click again on the iPad and I go on the padding top and the bottom values. And then margin top is 2. And I go to style. I go to the image and I go to upload files and I choose my iPad. And there we have our site fully responsive on mobile. So when I publish, already I have a preview. You can get this preview by clicking the eye icon. The preview changes. So this is what we have. You can see, very well done. And this is what Apple has. So that's how you do responsivity on mobile. So we're not going to do this footer menu.